Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration, so I hope you all like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you will like this video. So let's start the video without wasting any beautiful time. So you can see this one is very beautiful decoration. You can see the lights, the mirror, the decoration, very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see the white color theme chair, the table, the bed, and a very beautiful decoration. You can see very good, also looking very beautiful. And this also you can see the black color, silver color theme. It's very beautiful decoration. You can see looking very good decoration, very beautiful also. And this also you can see the side lights and all beautiful lights, and the mirrors, the floor, the wall, and all very beautiful decoration. Modern decoration. So also you can see the floor, very beautiful decoration of floor. You can see very good also. And this also you can see this also you can see the white color table, chair, and all very beautiful, very good decoration, and all looking very good, mirrors and all. And this also you can see the bed, very beautiful bed, and all. You can see good looking, very beautiful decoration, and all very good design. And this also you can see the cotton, you can see the white color bed, you can see the floor, you can see, and the lights and all. You can see very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see very beautiful, you can see the lights, the roof lights, the floor, and the all very beautiful decoration. You can see very good. And this also you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the floor, the mirror, and all very beautiful decoration. And this also you can see the lights, the wall, and all beautiful lights, and the wall looking very good. And this also you can see it's also very good. This also very beautiful. You can see the floor, the bed, and all, and the mirrors, beautiful decoration. Everything is looking very good. And this also you can see the wall, you can see the lights, and all. You can see very beautiful decoration, very good also. This also you can see the wall, you can see the floor, and all very beautiful decoration. And this one you can see is also very beautiful. You can see the beautiful decoration, the wall, and all very beautiful, looking very good. And this also you can see is also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the floor, and this also very beautiful. You can see the lights, the floor, the bed, and the chair, and all, and the roof lamp, and all very beautiful decoration. And it's also the beautiful kitchen. You can see the doors, and all silver color doors, the floor, you can see shining floor, very beautiful decoration. It's also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and press the bell icon when I post my new video. You will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.